Hi brokers, I want to just dive into something really important. Is recruiting harder now more than ever? If so, let's chat, because I'm right now recruiting at such a high level and I'm having a 74% retention rate from agent appointment to agent signing on to my brokerage. And the reason why is I'm bringing value. I'm bringing so much value that the agents cannot say no to us. So one of the most important things that I've done over the last few years is I have launched a program called Style to Design. It's a staging and design platform that was put in a box so that every agent could say they have their own in-house design team. By doing that, they're able to sell homes with design services included, and they have catapulted not only their commission percentage, their days on market has gone down, and their average sales price has gone up. My job is to really revolutionize the real estate industry and bring values to brokers just like yourself so that you can recruit, retain at a high level, and really keep your agents engaged. Bring something different to the table that they've never seen before. Staging and design has been proven to be one of the only tangible assets a real estate agent can contribute to a transaction to increase ROI. The problem is most agents don't do it because it costs time and it costs money. I want to show you a proven technique that we are doing at a very high level that saves time and is also very inexpensive. So if you are curious and would like to learn more, we would love to schedule some time with you and show you how you can revolutionize the real estate industry by design through your brokerage by bringing a lot of value, recruit and retain agents at a high level, help them produce at a much bigger level, give them more opportunities with builders, investors, and let me show you how we've created this tiered commission approach, leveraging staging and design services that is helping the agents actually increase their commission percentage. So, you're curious? Let us know. We would love to chat.